Hello guys, this is SRINIVAS the developer from the developer channel. Today we are going to solve the SKIDMARK Daily Challenge of 12 June 2021. Yesterday solution have some bugs, I guess. Most of the people have replied 4 or 5 test case failed. I extremely sorry for that. Today, to get rid of that, I have double checked the solution. So don't worry guys, today's solution doesn't have any bugs. Here, this is the program compared to students. It will accept the name, age and the register number of two students, and it will return if the given two things are equal according to the characters, not the case. If those are not equal, it should return not equal. Here we have Gavin. Here we have Gavin. Those things are matching. Age also matching. But here the register number 20 UEC, but here 21 UME. Here this is a EC student, here this is a mechanical student, so these things are not matching, so it's not equal. Here we have Bona with BHU and NA, but here we have BU and NAA, so it's not matching, so we have written not equal. Here the name is not at all matching. Here Bablu, here Pavitra, so it's also not equal. But here the hectare also matching, 21 also matching, and the register number EC student with a roll number of 147. Wait a minute. Is this the coincidence or something else? Okay, we don't have to worry about that. Let's say in a programmatical way. Here this is the code they have given. They have created a scanner object and they have passed the scanner object, so we can get the values in a single string. Here they have get the static method scanner, which will assign the value, name, age and country for the student, but this should be register number, right? They have misspelled. And they have created two student object. We have to create a class for this student and we have to create a method for this equals to return the value equal or not equal. Let's create a class student, which will have the constructor student. It will have the parameter string name, integer age and a string register number. Here we have to create a class variables string name and also register number and the integer value age. We have to create or assign the value for the object this dot name equal to name, this dot age equal to age. This is nothing but the object dot register number equal to the local register number. And it's time to create the function equals. This should be public and the return type is boolean equals. This should, they have passed the object, right? So we have to create a object variable for student and I am taking the variable name that, so we can make some fun with this and that. We have to return this dot name dot equals ignore case of that name and age also match, right? This dot age equal to that dot age and this dot register number dot equals of ignore case with the that dot register number. That's it. So if I save and run this program, I'm passing the value name and the age 1 in the register number register. Okay, register 123, and I'm passing the second name as a small and the age 1, register 123. We got equal. If I pass for the name hello and the age 1, 123, or as register number, and I'm passing world 2456 B as register number, we got not equal. That's it guys, that's it for today's video. And here this is the code for your view. This is not a messy code like yesterday's code. Okay guys, see you soon with something else tomorrow. Until then, bye.